When a guy gives you a one-armed hug, there are various interpretations to consider. It could mean that he only sees you as a friend and wants to avoid sending mixed signals or crossing any boundaries. He might also be nervous and unsure of how to express his feelings, which could be evident through blushing, stumbling over his words, or avoiding eye contact. Another possibility is that he's being respectful and wants to show that he cares about you without making you uncomfortable. Additionally, some individuals may not be comfortable with physical affection due to their upbringing or personal preferences. A guy might also choose to give a side hug in public or around others because he is not comfortable displaying physical affection in those settings. If there is no space between your bodies during the hug, it is likely that he likes and cares about you. His posture and body language can also provide insight, as a relaxed and open stance is more indicative of romantic interest. The placement of his hands, such as on your lower back or waist, can also suggest a romantic hug. The duration of the hug can be important, with a longer embrace indicating deeper emotions and a desire to establish a connection. However, it's important to consider the context, as longer hugs are more common in greeting or farewell situations. Therefore, if a guy unexpectedly gives you a short hug during a casual hangout, it may hold more significance than a longer hug when saying goodbye.